US crude finally breached 65 levels, which a few months back I told you 67, 65 is something we may see for crude oil WTI, and precisely it has breached 65, and since then it has tried to recover, retrace. It went close to 71.6 and then again a drop. Now what to expect? Is it going to continue with this bearish momentum, or we can see it trading in this bullish channel and reversing, retracing from here? If yes, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil WTI next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. For example, it is trading the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, trading with divergence, trading at bottom, the MACD trading with the stochastic at bottom, MACD trying to converge. So everything we're going to see with the help of indicators and try to converge and synthesize that what should be our trading strategy for next week. Watch till the end, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels also. So listen to it carefully and also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily, twice a day targets which I share for crude oil. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, do press the bell icon. Let's start first with the daily charts. Let me turn off the indicators here. Now see indicator charts, we had talked about this several times that it was consolidating here, and I told you very clearly that if it breaks out it is going to give you a very strong breakout. Now it has achieved the next milestone of $65. But is it the bottom, or we have still further more to go? And yes, specifically next week what to expect. See here, uh, yes, there is a tail here, and that is where we have got a pullback. If you look at the last two candles, these were retracement. Yes, we have seen a reversal indication here, and hence a buy entry is only recommended if you see it trading above 70 levels. If you see oil trading above 70 next week, you can buy and you can stay long, and then again we can expect that 71 and 72 is something you should watch out for. Now see, it has shown a reversal from here. You can clearly see after forming this step there, it has shown a reversal. Higher highs, higher lows are seen. This is trading in this bullish channel. Now on the downside, I will wait for it to break past this support zone here, that is 66.8, 66.5 levels. If it breaks below this, then only we can expect that we may see further lows, and it is going to break further till towards 65 and then 62 levels in the near future. So this is something you should watch out for. And at the same time, trading above 70, first at 71 and then at 72, these two levels you should definitely mark out and watch. And as I said, till 75, do not consider that oil has reversed. Till 75, do not consider the reversal in oil, and only if it trades above 75, breaks past 82, you can confirm that it has reversed completely and it is going to fly high. Till the time it is just a retracement. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly charts, clearly after consolidating for a while, we have seen a sharper breakout, and now see it has precisely achieved 65 levels. This is a very strong support zone. We talked about this several times that below 70 directly 65 levels will be seen, and now below that this is the level at 62 and 60. These are the stronger support zone. Now you have to completely watch out for this zone between 65 and 60. This is going to play a very important role, because below that oil is considered to be extremely bearish and it can achieve the bottom, which is very far away at $40. So we have to be careful. Let's see how it behaves. Certainly it has given a breakout on the weekly charts, and this is the second green candle. And if you look at see, after this sharp red candle, this is a consolidation candle. So now again next week breaking below 69, and if it trades below 66.8, 66.5 zone, you can expect that lower lows, and in fact it can drop further. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, to see after forming couple of steps, after consolidating with lower highs, higher lows, this month it has given a breakout. Certainly it is bearish. Certainly it has lot much on the downside to cover. 6260 support zone, which is far below, is something we can look out for in the next few days candles. Maybe this month or next month we might see those levels if it stays below 65. So this is something you should watch out for. And also for this month, see this, the closing of these candles, despite the breakout, we can see this, it can come back till towards 70, 72 levels. So yes, next week if it trades above 70, you can still buy, but then Do not consider this for a reversal till 75 and then above 80 only confirm this. It is going to break past. It is going to reverse strongly on the upside. Now what it has done on the monthly charts is also, see, if you connect the dots, you will find that 65 and then 60 levels are a very stronger support zone. And see, this is a good slide, good breakout. I will be definitely watchful of oil here in this zone, and certainly a reversal is till 80. I will not consider this for a reversal till 80 because this is a breakout and hence it is still very bearish. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Certainly, because right now we can see most of the charts are bearish. Yes, in the daily charts there is a retracement which is indicative here, and retracement means it can try to trade sideways for a little while, achieve 7500 drop from there. Now let's see the 20, 50, 100 period moving averages. These are the exponential moving averages. The thicker lines are trading with divergence. Likewise, the thinner lines, that is a simple moving average, also trading with divergence. This is a sign of bearishness. Also see on the daily chart, it traded outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why it has got a good pullback on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is reversed. It has come to overbought and now looking down. At the same time, the MACD, interestingly, the MACD is almost at the lower levels. It is seen sub minus 200 levels, trying to converge crossover, and we can see whenever it is, see, though there is still further downside left, but whenever it has achieved such levels, it is almost recovered from here. So I will be definitely watchful how oil behaves at around these levels, though there is still little more downside, little much downside available, but then definitely a reversal is must. So this also makes 60, 62, 65 zone very strong support zone. RSI is also looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, the 20 and 50 period moving average is already crossed over. Now 20 and 100 crossover is also seen. It is diverging. It is indicating bearishness. At the same time, the Bollinger Bands are also tapered and looking down, and now it is trading below the 20, 50, 100 simple moving average too. This is slight bearish. The stochastic looking down, indicating bearishness. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading with side divergence. Yes, it traded bullish in this channel. It has given a breakout and now trying to look down further. The RSI is looking down here too, which is a slight indication of bearishness again. Now look at the monthly charts. Now look at the monthly charts too. Resistance there at 80, 82, and since then we can see there is a drop. Right now on the monthly charts, still there is bullishness, and see the 100 weeks average is now at 60. Now this is important for oil to sustain these levels here. The stochastic, you can see it recovered a bit and now again looking down. Probably it can take it to further lower levels. Now most importantly, look at MACD, divergent and bearish. In the beginning of the 2023, and in fact last year also, I told you this is an important crossover and this may take it further down. Now look at the oil's chart. See on the monthly charts, it has still got downside. When this monthly candle closes, certainly we can see it hitting those levels at the bottom. It can try to you can say consolidated bottom, and then this reversal, which also makes 60 levels as a very good support. And hence, yes, if it stays below 65, we can expect 64.2, 63.5, 63, and then 62, 61.6, and then 60 levels to be seen. 10% from here, but yes, possible, quite possible it can achieve anything. And I will be definitely cautious. Yes, the rise reversal till 75, do not consider this as reversal. It can retrace a bit on the upside. It is trying to trade bullish. Now for the next few days, we may see it retracing, possibly 72, 73, 75 levels also can be seen, but then we have to be extremely cautious. It can slide again. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you all to profit next week. Definitely the daily analysis, which I shared twice a day, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Those two analysis definitely will add on to this, and the levels mentioned here and levels mentioned there, you can match and you can trade profitably. So do not forget to press the bell icon, which helps you watching the daily analysis. And also, yes, before I mention the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 21st batch of mentorship, which is going to start on 10th of April. Reserve your seats now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Certainly, you can benefit. Now, see, first let's talk about the levels to buy. 69.2 it is, and 69.2 certainly is a very good support level. Now, see, you can buy here at 69.5, but then also 69.8 and 70.2. Only and only buy entry, only and only bullish confirmation, only and only reversal confirmation, only and only rise confirmation for next week is if it trades above 70.2. Beyond which again 71, 71.6, and then 72.4, 73.5, and then 75 levels will be expected. Yes, it can retrace, yes, it can rise, but this is something which is going to be a very stronger resistance zone. 73.5, 75. Certainly above 70.2 levels, little more rise can be expected, and we can say that it may try to trade bullish on the downside also, as I said. So yes, these levels are certainly important, and see, these levels are very nearer. You have to first of all eliminate the bias out of you that I think it is going to drop or I think it is going to rise. Nothing helps in market. It is the levels which is going to help, and it is the profits which you keep booking at every level. That is what will go with you. If you stay invested and it goes you another candle, it goes for swing, and then everything is gone in the single candle. This is gambling. Do not do this. You must know the levels, and that is why I say sell at 68.8, 68, and then 67.2, 66.8 levels. Now remember, 66.8 you should watch out for next week. If it breaks below 66.8, we can expect 65 levels again, which is very important support. And breaking below 65, this time it is going to give you, see, 64.2. I don't think so though it is going to happen. I don't think so that it is going to drop for so far, but below 64.2, directly 62 and 60 levels. If not this week, then next week will be seen. But yes, till 66.8, 66 levels should not, in fact in between 66 is also very good support. So till 66.8, 66 should not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back again, it can reverse again, because it is giving you higher lows, higher highs. It can trade in a bullish channel on the upside. Be careful of 72.4 first, and then 73.5, then 75 levels. Very good resistance exists there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my signals channel. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.